Like Isaiah 35 talks about, the flowers of Lebanon will shout and sing, for behold the glory of God. He's gonna build a highway of holiness. When they see the procession and the return of Jesus, mountains will declare praise. This is what Jesus said, if they don't cry out, the rocks will cry out. And I want to challenge you, may the rocks of Philippines not replace your worship. I want you to feel that jealousy. Lord, as long as I live here in Vegan, we would exalt and magnify the worth of Jesus so magnificently that the mountains will not replace our worship. Let that jealousy for His glory and His word be like a consuming fire until that zeal for His house consume me. I refuse to let the rocks replace my worship. I refuse.